Undoubtedly, it has some substance, but a vague statement that we stand for peace and freedom by itself has no particular meaning because every country is prepared to say the same thing. Whether it means it or not, stop what then do we stand for? Well, you have to develop this argument in the economic field. Stop. As it happens today, in spite of the fact that we have been for some time in authority as a government, I regret that we have not produced any constructive economic scheme or economic policy so far. Stop. Again, my excuse is that we have been going through such amazing times which have taken up all our energy and attention that it was difficult to do so. Stop. Nevertheless, we shall have to do so. And when we do so, that will govern our foreign policy more than all the speeches in this house. Stop. Para. We have sought to avoid foreign entanglements by not joining one bloc or the other. Stop. The natural result has been that neither or these big blocs looks on us with favor. Stop. They think that we are undependable because we cannot be made to vote this or that way. Stop. Last year, when our delegation went to the United Nations, it was the first time that a more or less independent delegation went from India. Stop. It was looked at a little distance. Stop. They did not know what it was going to do. Stop. When they found that we acted according to our own will, they did not like. Stop. We were unpopular last year at the United Nations. Stop. I do not mean individually, but in regard to our policy. Stop. They could not quite make out what we were or what we were aiming at. Stop. There was a suspicion in the minds of the first group that we were really allied to the other group in secret thought. We were trying to hide the fact, and the other group thought that we were allied to the first group in secret thought. We were trying to hide the fact. Stop. Para. This year there was a slight change in this attitude. Stop. We did many things which both the groups disliked, but the comprehension came to them that we were not really allied to either group, that we were trying to act according to our own rights and according to the merits of this dispute as they seemed to us. Stop. Para. I have no doubt that fairly soon, in the course of 2 or 3 years, the world will find this attitude justified, and that India will not only be respected by the major protect, protagonists in the struggle for power, but a large number of the smaller nations, which today are rather helpless, will probably look to India more than to other countries for a lead in such matters. Stop. May I, in this connection, say that during this last session of the United Nations, stop.